Yeah. Here we go. Out on a balcony, looking at the city. Two-man company, she looking real pretty. Wine for the missus, two drunk kisses, leaving lipstick smudge on the cups and dishes. I'm on the road to riches, but she don't even see it, cause I'm hiding all the talents for when I really need it. Success is not an option, it's something I believe in. My words ain't up for auction, it's just for me to speak of. All that other bullshit, you can just keep them, cause I'm taking my words and leaving for the weekend. Success ain't no book, so it ain't worth reading, but I say it's something worth working and achieving. Let me feel your heartbeat next to mine. Synchronize our hands like the hands of time. They criticize our future, but let them press rewind, cause we headed for the stars while they're still behind. Things were simple and carefree, like a partridge in a pear tree. Traveled by air or sea, we were going far, looked and played the part, blowing up like kerosene, addicted to her like nicotine. Little did I know she's a strong woman, she knows to choose her moments like Mr. Truman. Living in a world, I'm only human, girl, so won't you let a simple man take you by the hand, take you for a spin, let you dance and get invited into your lovely home. You got my mind blown, so let me be your chaperone to Paris or Rome. I got my peace of mind, shalom. You got a very nice pair of chromosomes. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to say you're beautiful. I'm just trying to say you're beautiful. Let me feel your heartbeat next to mine. Synchronize our hands like the hands of time. They criticize our future, but let them press rewind, cause we headed for the stars while they still behind. Let me feel your heartbeat next to mine. Synchronize our hands like the hands of time. They criticize our future, but let them press rewind, cause we headed for the stars while they still behind. While they still behind. Why don't you stay behind?